Many of us set goals for the new year, so if one of yours is to just feel like you again, then you are in luck. Dr. Meghna Thacker, she is here with SottoPelle Therapy along with her patient. This is Nasreen Hirobadi. Great to have both of you here.
Thank you.
Tell us about SottoPelle. How long have you guys been around and what exactly do you do?
Absolutely. Dr. Meghna Thacker founded SottoPelle in 2002, but he started doing the pellets in 1992. So it's been around a long time, and we individualize the hormone treatments for every patient, and we use the hormone therapy. So SottoPelle actually means in Italian underneath the skin. We take the pellets and they are placed underneath the skin, so they are absorbed based on the patient's heart rate.
Okay, so Nasreen, you were undergoing a few changes, you said, to your body. What were you feeling?
I was having hot flashes because I had early age partial hysterectomy, and also once I hit certain age, I had hot flashes, tiredness, fatigue, fogginess.
You weren't feeling yourself.
No.
So you knew something was wrong. Something was going wrong hormonally, and you went in to see the folks at SottoPelle. What did they offer you?
They offered the pellet. So first I had to do my lab work, and sure enough, I was under the
And
numbers.
How do you detect whether someone is under where they should be to function normally?
Absolutely. We look at their blood work in detail to see the hormones. So besides the sex hormones, we also look at the thyroid, the adrenal hormone, the overall health. And then we look at the patient's history, their symptoms. So we take a lot of different factors to determine the patient's dose.
And you customize.
We customize for every patient.
How you insert the pellet. And so you had the treatment done. How quickly did you start feeling yourself again?
I want to say about 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
But it takes a month to totally feel different, and it was great experience for me.
How was the treatment?
It's amazing.
It was quick?
I highly recommend it. It's very quick, 5-10 minutes in the office.
Wow. And how do you actually insert the pellets?
It's inserted with a quick procedure. We numb the area with a local anesthetic. So it stings a little bit, but that's pretty much it. Then they're nice and numb. I make a small little slit in the skin and place them underneath the skin.
All right, so within weeks, she's starting to feel herself again. You had a little more pep. You told me your sex, your libido improved. Will she need to get this treatment again, or is she good?
Yes. So on average, women tend to need it every 4 months. It depends on each person. It can vary between 3 to 6 months. And we do this for men as well, and they go every 6 months between the treatments.
Okay, so would you recommend this?
Absolutely. Yeah. I've been recommending to a lot of my clients and friends, and they had a great experience, and they're very thankful.
How are you different? How is SottoPelle different? And a lot of people may ask, is this a safe procedure?
So we have been here the longest. In fact, when I started doing this treatment, there were really nobody doing this. Dr. Meghna Thacker is the pioneer, and he brought this treatment to the US. He was one of the founders. And we are different. We listen to the patients rather than just treating their lab values. That's what the patients really appreciate.
All right. Well, thank you so much. I'm so glad you're feeling
good
and feeling yourself again.
Thank you so much. Thank you, doctor.
Yes,
thank you.
Absolutely. Let's give you some information. SottoPelle Therapy is located at 8412 East Shea Boulevard, Suite 101 in Scottsdale. There are also locations in Paradise Valley, Chandler, and Glendale. We'll call 480-874-1515 or visit their website, SottoPelleTherapy.com.